Hello. So my name is Chase Stearns. So I'm just going to do a screen recording. I figured this format might work for what I'm doing. Um, so the first question says, what did you personally contribute to the group project? And show the specifics. Okay, so I'll just go through the code here. Me and Zach, we basically had different duties, if you will, for this project. So I'm just going to open this up here. All right, let's open the code. So this is one of the blocks here, and then that was the one that I pasted on here. And then Zach and I kind of did a mix of the functions throughout here. There's 5 total questions, which was requested in the prompt. So we did that. And then I'm going to go to my Google Drive. Okay, here we go. So these are basically the assignments that we had. So this sheet outlines all that we did. So as you can see, Zach basically did half of the work, and then I did half of the work, and we kind of just combined it all together at the end. And, we could have coordinated better, which is, I think, something that I kind of lacked on this project. And also, not consulting with my partner and the teacher enough was something I should have done better. So yeah, that's my answer to my first question. What do you like or do you think works well in your group's program? I think one thing that we did well was the color aspect of it, because most of the projects didn't have more than one color sort of variant, if you will. So we were allowing the user to choose a color as well as a specific brightness. And basically what that does is the brightness alters the color and makes it brighter or darker. So yeah, I think that's something that was a strength for us in regards to this program. So yeah. And then what would you change about your group's program? So this one, I know what I needed to change. Unfortunately, I just wasn't able to make the office hours or the what was it, the drop in with Catherine back this week. It was just a series of um, stuff that I had to take care of. So basically, I couldn't make it. Unfortunately, I should have made time for it in my schedule. That was my fault. Basically, what I needed to do was I needed to add the line types in there, which I was supposed to integrate with help by the teacher or the teacher's assistant. I didn't make time for it, and that was on me. So I kind of know what the weakness was. I just didn't address it basically, and yeah. So that's that. I know where the what's it called, the blocks are from the teacher, so I'll try and show them here. So um, we got draw one wiggly line, an angle, draw a wiggly line, draw a zigzag line. Sorry, I stuttered there. And then move a certain amount of steps. This was supposed to be the straight line. Unfortunately, I didn't get to that step, but we still have 5 functions. So we basically just did what we could with this project. It wasn't perfect. There were imperfections. There were areas which I'll admit it was my fault for not reaching out as much and doing all that. And I should have had a little bit more initiative there. But yeah, so basically that's kind of it. I'll do a little run through the project just to give some context on it, I guess. So yeah, I'll just do a little extra. So how many levels? So let's just say we want to do 3. We want to do an angle 20. We'll do 75 for the size. We'll say we want it to be green, and then we'll do brightness for 3, which is more bright. All right, so that's it. That's the answers to these questions, I guess. And yeah, I think that's everything that um, we you want. So I didn't get it reviewed by the Writing Center, but I'm doing the video recording format, so that wouldn't be applicable anyways. So yeah, that's my recording, and thank you for listening.